Tuesday morning, December 13th, 2022. Here's the Astro Excel chart with the trend forecast for the week. We started from Sunday night with this upward pressure. Actually started last week. The up move started last week on the 7th back here. We ended up moving up here, had this reaction as we hit this flat on the green line, and then we rallied yesterday with the green line, which is peaking this morning about 9 a.m. The blue line also makes a spike at that time at about 8:30. Then after 9 this morning, the green line starts to head back down. It goes back down until it flattens out tomorrow. It hits this flattening out area in the evening, and then it's kind of flatlining under the zero line, slightly downward with a little bit of upward pressure on Friday. So that's what the trend projection looks like. Let's see if we have key timing today. Here's the Vedic chart. We have a couple of significant windows. The morning windows going from about 8 o'clock to 11:30, wide window. The critical timing points would be at the beginning of this window, right where this white block starts. We'd be looking for a period between 7:45 and 8:20 for a potential turn. This was the blue line spike low here at this blue vertical line. That was at 8:30. We had another timer from the rainbow chart at 10. We have a little 2-point cluster here at about 10:47. Those are the likely places for a significant pivot. And then the afternoon window kicks in about 1:30 till after the day session close, actually till 5. And then key points being there, we've got a little cluster at about 2:30. We've got an indication at 3:05. Then another cluster at about 15:38, 15:40 area. So those are key times for today inside the timing windows. You can see I've got some price levels on the chart. Again, when the price hits one of these lines on a timer, it's going to flip the market on you. Like you see the two lines I have here, we had an early morning trigger point at 3:56 for a long, went right up to the next level, to the next time point in the green block on the A1 panel, and that triggered a minor reaction. Doesn't look like much, but it was still, that was a 7.5 point move. Anyhow, that's it for today. Be back again tomorrow with another video.